Hey everyone, if you hear about Whatnot and are curious but unsure about how to get started or think you don't have enough followers, this video is for you. Today, we'll dive into Whatnot, a live commerce platform that's perfect for selling collector's items and impulse purchase products. And guys, at any point of this video, if you like to discover the strategy that helped me quit my full-time job and make money online, so please visit the first link in the description. Just imagine an ordinary person like me from India with English as a third language and a farming family background, now who can build automated systems and earn money in US dollars. If I can do it, you can also follow the same strategy and achieve your own success. So to learn more, please visit the first link in the description. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free. So to learn more, please watch this video till the end. Alright, now let's get started with Whatnot review. Whatnot is all about live commerce. You go live on this so-called SHS, nothing but stream hosted sales, and sell your items. You can set a fixed price or run auctions, setting the minimum amount and time for each item. People join your show and purchase your items. And the website is whatnot.com, and here is how it looks. And you can choose to show your face or just the items, and it's not just about listing items for sale. It's about creating an entertaining live commerce experience. You can talk, host a podcast, do funny things, and even more to increase your conversion rate. Some people show their face while others just show the item. Maybe you have heard about TikTok live commerce in Asia. If not, I invite you to research it. It's a huge phenomenon with hundreds of people promoting products to millions in China. They want to bring this success to the United States market, and Whatnot is already doing it. In China, live stream e-commerce generated over 700 billion. TikTok in China is crazy popular for shopping. Whatnot isn't as crazy yet, but it's on its rise. You can get the Whatnot app on the App Store and Google Play Store. It's not super popular yet, which means now is a great time to join and gather your followers more easily. So if you already have followers on Instagram, YouTube, or any social media, move that traffic to your Whatnot profile. And if you don't have followers, you'll have to start from scratch and it will be hard, but if you are consistent for 6 to 7 months, you'll gain a following and people will join your shows. To become a seller, head over to the website or download the application and click on Become a Seller. Some statistics show people making over $6,000 per month, but that's not likely for you right away. You'll need to work hard and be consistent, just like on YouTube. Getting approved is easy. Your profile will be approved within 24 hours or less. So once approved, you can host your live show, set prices, or run auctions. Start small. Your first show won't be great because you won't have many followers. But that's okay. Keep showing up and more people will find your shows. And if you are entertaining or love being on camera, this will work for you. Have fun with it. It's an entertaining platform as much as sales platform. So once you sell items, you can cash out via PayPal or direct deposit, and you will be given a time frame to ship orders to your buyers. Whatnot has a seller academy, similar to TikTok Shop Academy. They offer many videos to help beginners, and it's probably better to watch those videos for detailed guidance. They cover preparing your account, pre-show steps, showtime tips, and more. It's clear and helpful. As a marketing strategy, Whatnot matches your earnings for your first show. If you sell an item worth up to $90, they'll give you an additional $90, and this helps motivate new sellers. And you'll receive a payment within 48 to 72 hours after the USPS package is delivered to the buyer. And there are fees, an 8% commission, and a 2.9% plus 30-cent processing fee for each transaction. It can be a bit much, but it's the cost of using the platform. Now the question is, what can you sell? Almost anything with a wow factor. Collector items, garage sale finds, thrift store treasures. Avoid niche items that might not attract buyers. Whatnot also has an affiliate program, guys, and if you have any following elsewhere, you can use it to promote Whatnot and earn commissions. It's a great way to make extra money. Remember, be consistent. Don't expect miracles or to replace your 9 to 5 job in the first 7 to 8 months. Whatnot is a great platform, but it takes effort and persistence. And guys, if you'd like to learn more about how I make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home as a complete beginner, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch my free masterclass. And also, as promised, there is a special bonus for you waiting. I'm offering a $2,488 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle from the second link in the description. In this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with the like-minded individuals. So guys, please take action, be the lucky one from these 500 members and acquire your seat for absolutely free. And guys, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, affiliate marketing tips and tricks, money making strategies. And if in case you like this video, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification, as well as it would be motivating me to create new content for you. And also don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below. I'll meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.